Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to link apps in Podio. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, what's Podio? Well, Podio is a project management software that allows you to organize your work and collaborate with your team. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it can help you to get more done in less time. One of the things that I love about Podio is that it's very flexible. You can customize it to fit your specific needs, and there are a lot of different ways to use it. One of the ways that I like to use Podio is to link different apps together. This can be a great way to save time and effort, and it can also help you to keep all of your information in one place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link two different apps in Podio. So, let's get started. First, you need to create two apps in Podio. You can do this by going to the Apps tab and then clicking on the Create App button. Once you have created your two apps, you need to add a relationship field to each app. A relationship field is a field that allows you to link items from one app to items in another app. To add a relationship field, click on the Modify Template button for each app. Then, click on the Add Field button and select the relationship field type. Once you have added the relationship field, you need to configure it. You will need to select the app that you want to link to, and you will also need to select the field that you want to use to link the items. Once you have configured the relationship field, you can start linking items from one app to items in another app. To do this, simply open the app that you want to link to, and then click on the Create Item button. When you create a new item, you will be able to select items from the other app using the relationship field. That's all there is to it. Linking apps in Podio is a great way to save time and effort. It can also help you to keep all of your information in one place. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.